How to add SafeMoon on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add SafeMoon on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your device. Once you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon. Once you tap on it, now click on search bar and search for SafeMoon. To add SafeMoon on your Trust Wallet app, just simply toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage, scroll down and click on SafeMoon. Now tap on Receive. Once you click on Receive, you will be provided with QR code and unique wallet address. With the help of this wallet address, you will be able to receive SafeMoon through different crypto wallets on your Trust Wallet app. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add SafeMoon to our Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.